Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an easy snack item or an appetizer dish called as tomato bruschetta. This is an original Italian dish, but you can always make a fusion by adding few Indian spices to it. It's very easy to mix and gets ready within no time. So hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. We are using medium-sized baguette, which is nothing but a long bread with thick crust and hard top, but you can always use a regular bread too, just toast it more. 1 small onion, some cherry tomatoes since these tomatoes are sweeter in taste, some Parmesan cheese, some black pepper powder, some dry basil, you can always use fresh too, some dry parsley, again you can use fresh too, 1 garlic clove, and some salt to taste. To make the bruschetta mixture in a bowl, add onions, tomatoes, parsley, basil, black pepper powder. To add some extra spice, I'm adding some red pepper flakes, but these are optional, some salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Give that a good mix. That's our bruschetta topping. So fresh and yummy. Here is the baguette, really long, so I'm going to cut it in half and keep the other half for later use. And for one of the halves, I'm going to cut medium slices, just as wide as my finger. So just cut as many as you need. We are going to toast these slices, so on a pan add some butter and then drop in all those slices that we cut. We're going to toast it on both the sides on a medium-high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes on either side. Just turn them over after 2 to 3 minutes to toast on the other side as well. And then if required, just add in some extra butter to the other side. The baguette is already kind of toasty and really hard, so you don't need to toast longer. The golden brown color that we got is perfect. Now take the garlic clove and kind of rub it on each of the slices. This gives a really nice flavor, and as you bite the the bruschetta, it tastes amazing. Let's add our toppings. So on each of the slices, I'm going to add the tomato and onions bruschetta mixture. So let it fall off, just add enough so that it stays on each of the slices. Cover each of the slices with enough of the mixture. So these are now ready. Let's sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to add some grains and garnish it with some coriander leaves. So I'm just taking 1 leaf of coriander and just dropping that on each of the bruschettas. Let's take them out on the serving plate. As you have seen, it's very easy to mix, almost about 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll have a great snack or appetizer dish. Do give it a try and let me know how it goes. Hope you liked today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.